You weren't kidding. What is going on, everybody? Welcome again back here to Brailsford's Rides. Today we have another Project Rev episode. So been with the channel for a while. We've had this car for a year now. One thing I haven't addressed, despite all the other things I've addressed, has been the rough idle. I've been saying constantly the car is a rough idle, and so today we're going to start seeing if we can start troubleshooting it. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to remove the EGR valve and take a look at it, see if there's any sediment or something blocked up in there, and see if that's affecting our idle at all. So let's go ahead and pull that off real quick. Alright, so we got two bolts right here on the EGR valve. We're going to go ahead and remove those. Let's see what kind of buildup we got going on. Oh my. Oh God. Okay guys, so we might have figured out our idle issue, potentially. Yeah, take a look at that. Good luck. To say that might be plugged up would probably be an understatement. That thing is nasty, so I'm gonna see what I can do to clean it out real quick. See if we can bust free the valve and reinstall her, and maybe she'll be idling normal. We'll see. So first, just because we can, let's see what happens when we push the plunger down a few times. Oh, look at all that soot coming out, man. This thing is rough. Yeah, let's try and I'm trying to clean it out with some carb cleaner, see if that works. It's not perfect, but we used the carb cleaner, and I think we were able to clean out a good amount of this. So we're gonna slap it back on, and we're gonna see if the car runs any better. Let's go ahead and slide this guy back in there. Vacuum line came off too, so I'm gonna button everything up, plug everything back in, and we'll fire this thing up. All right, let's fire her up and see how she's idling. Hopefully she'll hold an idle. So far so good, no surges. Sounds so much better. I'm gonna guess that EGR valve was my issue, and I think I'm gonna leave idle right around 1K. Oh yeah, I'm very happy with this, guys. I think we figured it out. Now ignore the smoke. There's oil leaking from the valve cover. That's a big win, guys. A big win. I'm gonna bolt everything back up. And I can't wait to drive this thing now. She's breathing better. All right, so it's the next day. I wanted to do this in the daylight, so we're gonna test out the idle. We're gonna fire her up and see how she holds idle.
Are you gonna start it?
Initially, with the higher RPMs are sitting right, you're gonna see where it falls though. Previously, the car would have just stalled out, but with that clean EGR valve, it is it's idling right about 1,000. We're going to lower it about 100 RPM real quick. Yeah, so I adjusted the idle a little bit.
I called.
It's right between 900 and 1,000. And the idle's perfect now. Perfect. I'm very curious if I actually like picked up any power or anything. I should have cleaned that EGR when I got the car. Fall right back to normal idle. Heck yeah, guys. Reverse, we're not stalling. Perfect. All's good, guys. All's good. Well, that's gonna do it for today's episode. Very stoked to see this car is finally idling like it should be. Super simple fix. EGR valve cleaned up. That thing was disgusting. If you guys have had a worse one, let me know down below. And I'm ready to get this thing out, do some 0 to 60 pulls to see if we picked up any power with the headers. But first I gotta get alignment, but it'll be coming up soon, guys. Stay tuned, click that like button down below. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you enjoyed, please consider sharing the content. But that's gonna do it for today. We'll see you guys next time on Brailsford Rides. Take care, guys. Well. Everybody, this is my buddy Mac. If you guys weren't a part of this channel before, he's the guy who donated the roller motor for the car, and so we're just now catching up and getting him to sign the car. And we're collecting some names on here, so it's Mac. I appreciate it very much, sir. Thank you very much.
Yes, sir. Absolutely.
I appreciate everybody who watched the video this long. We have some big news coming related to the Foxbody. You guys are not gonna want to miss this. Don't forget, click that like button down below. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned, guys. I can't wait to give you guys the good news.